Watch the Milky Way.
I'll laugh when you open it. We do this now.
So you said I can eat it?
Watch the Milky Way.
Everybody loves James.
Watch the Milky Way.
Yeah, everyone's like calling James now.
Everyone hates Harry.
Watch them.
Explode.
Okay, the chocolate's going to start melting soon. And
It already has.
In the way.
That mean it would taste like that?
okay. It's still on full power, yeah?
Yeah.
Steaming up.
Somehow.
Whoa!
Okay, they're going. Right?
That's that.
The new gloves started to come out of your middles. Okay?
Oh, it smells horrible.
I want to eat it.
Right.
Oh,
Right, so look at it, Marcus, so join together. You go. The little chocolate is still around the outside.
So it looks like a big donut.
oh, so tasty.
Okay, look, it's getting bigger.
It goes down, so you let it open it.
No, wait. At the moment it smells of nicely warmed up chocolate. As soon as the moisture's released from it, it starts cooking the fat in the chocolate. It's going to start stinking. Okay, we'll keep going. When the smoke starts pouring out, I'm going to stop. Okay? And then James is going. Okay, look, there's your Milky Way. It's cooking.
Why is you like? Sounds really
Oh,
enthusiastic.
Yeah, I get to see the fat on top of the nougat already. So,
Oh, that's fucking disgusting.
I'm not eating it now.
Wait.
I'll eat it. I'll eat it.
Yeah, but you weren't invited, are you?
No, I am.
What is that?
now, watch for smoke.
Oh, it smells horrible.
It's not even getting anywhere.
No, I'm just right by
No, I haven't done anything.
Well, that's the legal place. The place is really hot.
And then we can put this on.
No, we don't want the bloody banana. We want the one with the pot.
Okay, get ready.
She's a
It's
brown.
stinking very soon.
Look a little bit inside.
Wait.
It's the James.
Okay. No, we keep going. Good. So basically, all the water cream is gone now.
Pop, enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's an especially no
So it's like once you get it in reverse, it's white till it's black. Instead of black.
Still, can you see the smoke now?
Yeah.
No, it's not that.
Yep.
Open it, open it.
That's a bit good now.
Okay.
I can't get it.
It's like a pancake.
Come
Come on, look at that, doesn't it?
Yeah, if I can give this up, mate.
Oh. Yeah, you can't
Wait,
can't see that.
So is it Mr. Cole?
Okay. Now we're really getting the nasty stuff from
So
out
what
of it, okay?
teacher was it? You said it alive.
I think it was ham.
I was close enough. I said Mr. Cole, that's quite close, isn't it? Steve Nick.
Not that well, because it's so...
That fire alarm will go off, I'll laugh.
We're going to the shade of dark brown.
See, you're afraid if I some curry. Onion bars.
This is what we call overcooked.
That's just well done, sir.
Yeah, it's actually well done.
I like my steak well done.
How much it is? Like,
I like my pancakes.